Hello guys, Office 365 there has been a lot of problems on sending and receiving email, and I have done a video on that already, and this is the video especially for anti-spam IP delist. So how you can delist the IP. Now why it is important is because maybe the server where your files are there might be on the blocked list by Microsoft anti-spam protection. So we'll see how we can unblock this. So let's get started. So Microsoft has got dedicated portal sender.office.com. Just open it and fill in your email address and your IP address. So this is the IP address of your server, and once you do that, then it will allow you to delist your IP from the spam list. Just to mention this point here, that Microsoft and Google and other email service providers maintain the spam list. So spam list is nothing but the system. So they maintain the record of all the IP addresses which they feel is a part of the spam list. Means they are sending a lot of emails more than whatever is restricted or is policy of standard policy of Google or Microsoft. So that is because of that they put your IP into this spam list. Now if you want to delist it, you have to raise this request. So once you raise this request, it will go to Microsoft and they will delist this one. So also via this mechanism you can check that whether your IP is in spam anti-spam IP list or not. So this way your email sending thing should work in Office 365. Now if it is still creating problem, so the listing process which I showed is for Office 365 recipient from IP of the server. Now again there is a different set of ticket system for Hotmail, Office or live.com email. So for that you have to come to this form and then you have to raise a request. So this way the delisting can take place automatically. You don't have to reach to the Microsoft support. You can do it yourself. And so this is the form, and you can put all the details here like IP range, and this is very informative form. So guys, I have shown you two forms. So one is for delisting IP anti-spam list for Office 365 recipient, and another form is for Outlook.com recipient. Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section.